Today I'm taking a look at the Teamgee laptop screen extender. So this does come with a case. We got a pouch in the front, so we got a place to store our cables. So here's our display. We got a nice carbon fiber look here on the back. This is one of the more interesting things. They actually have an interface right here so that we can power this guy with a battery. So if you don't want to use the battery on your laptop and you still want to use this display, we can't isolate this from the battery on the laptop. We do have a kickstand there on the back. We got our two USB-C ports right there on the back. We got a power port right here, and we have our selector. So the rear is adjustable to match the size of your laptop. We have some clips right here so I can lock onto the display of the laptop. And we have got our screens. In the bottom of the box, we've got our manual and we got a quick start guide. So this does come with our battery. It says this is a 10,000 milliamp hour battery. We have a display on it. And that does come with a 79% charge. On top we got a USB-C port and a USB-A port, so if we want to, we can use this for charging our phone. And we got a magnetic puck with our contacts there on the back. So if you want to use the battery in order to power it, we just got to drop it right on there. A very handy option to have. And they also gave us a whole bunch of cables. So we have two USB-C to USB-C cables, and this one does have that 90-degree angle on it. We have a USB-C to HDMI, so in the event that your laptop does not have a USB-C port on it, we can use this, and then we can use a USB-C to USB-A in order to power that display. And they also gave us an H5T cable. This is USB-C to USB-C, and this is an adapter, so we can turn that into a USB-A. So lots of different options for getting this connected to our laptop. So I got my two USB-C cables. I'm going to plug one into the Type-C 1 port and the other into the Type-C 2 port. And I can set this behind the laptop, expand that to fit. And that does basically clamp onto the screen. It's actually not even sitting on the kickstand right now, so the screen can hold that up, although that will depend on the angle that you put it at. So if I bring this back, that feels about good. And this is the Type-C 1 cable. I'm going to plug that in right here. Oh, okay. Looks like that is going to connect both displays. Or just gave it power. Okay, so that gave it power and connected my right side display. And then if I connect Type-C 2, that gives me my second display. Get the angles looking a little bit better. So now I can do my work here on the middle display. I can watch videos over here on the right. I can even take my program monitor, throw it over there. I guess I just want to have a little bit more real estate right here. I usually just go with 2 monitors, but having 3 monitors just gives you that much more expandability. And plus on top of that, having the battery in the back means that we're going to be able to run these monitors without having to drain the battery on the laptop, so I can use this thing remotely without having to worry about that. That is just an awesome little setup. So overall, I'm happy with that.